Creating your website with Google Sites, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create your own website using Google Sites. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or someone with a passion to share, having a website can open doors to countless opportunities. And with this Google Sites, you can build your online presence quickly and easily without any prior coding knowledge. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating a professional-looking website on Google Sites, from setting up your account to customizing your site's design and adding content. We've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own website up and running, ready to showcase your ideas, projects, or business to the world. So let's dive and get started on building your website with Google Sites. So what Google Sites is? For people who don't know, Google Sites offers hassle-free website building experience, allowing you to focus on content creation rather than technical complexities. And it's a free platform provided by Google, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget or technical expertise. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or an enthusiast wanting to share your passions with the world, Google Sites empowers you to create professional login website with ease. So let's start our tutorial. First of all, you open your web browser and navigate to Google Sites website by typing sites.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed into your Google account, click on the sign in button in the top right corner and then you enter your username and your password to sign in. As you can see, I am already signed in. That's why I have this home page in Google Sites. Here you can click on this plus icon to create a new site or just adding a new page here, inserting content blocks or incorporating various features into your website. For example, let's click here and as you can see it's a blank site with a blank set, but to move faster, well, quickly select a template. You can just click over here and you will have a various template that suits the content and corresponds to your website requirements. With here different templates, for example, education, work, portfolio, and whatever. So let's choose one and for example, we will choose this dog walker to work on it, and then we have this website ready. Just we'll do a few modification on it and then we'll have our website ready. As you can see, with a pre-designed template to start. Starting with a pre-designed template offers a range of benefits that streamline the website development process and empower you to create a professional, visually appealing website easily. Here on the right side hand of the screen with three functions to modify your website. We have here insert, pages, themes. The first one, insert function, allows you to add various types of content elements to your website. This includes text boxes, images, videos, links, maps, calendars, and more. Let's see, for example, under this, um, for example, under this image, we will add a content blocks, for example this for image, and as you can see we've got this for image, or we can also put a video here and we can add the text down below. So if you would like to add a content blocks, you um, just need to click or select the plus the place where you want to put in and then you click. As you can see, I can edit images, videos as I mentioned. I can add also text down below. Moreover, there is a variety stuff you can add it to your website. For example, collapsible group, table of content, bottom, divider, spacer, and other things related to Google, such as YouTube, map, docs, slides, and whatever you want need to add it in your website. Second function is pages. This function is referring to the individual sections, web pages that make up your websites. Each page certain specific content or information related to a particular topic or aspect of your sites. You can create pages, editing it, organizing it. If you no longer need a page, you can just delete it. The third function is themes. Here you can choose theme where you want. For example, I will choose that one or that one. As you can see, themes of the website is changing. So here we have the name of your website, and if you want to add a logo too, let's see other option. For example, we do have ability to undo and redo, and the important one is here is helping you to know if your website need modification on how it looks like with, for example, a large screen or in tablet or in phone. Let's go back to our page. For example, we have also here setting. You can um, change the navigation. For example, the mode, you can make it top or side. The color, you can make it black or white. As you can see here is changing. You can change or added brand images or viewer tools or custom domains if you wanna your sites to make it more professional. Analytics, announcement banner. There's a lot of function you can modify it to have your own website. If you finish your website and you want to make it accessible to the public on the internet, all you need is to click over here, publish, and it becomes viewable by anyone with the link that you will add it here, the name, or you can just, as I mentioned, custom your domain to make it more professional. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.